Maybe some of your friends are starting to create a document in Google Docs, but are having difficulty finding the settings to change the paper to landscape form because they are used to using Microsoft Word. So, that's why I will share the method with friends. First, go to the Format menu in Google Docs. Then friends select Page Orientation. Then the Page Orientation dialog box will appear. To change the paper shape from portrait to landscape, friends, change the orientation to Landscape. Then select OK to save the settings. Now automatically all pages in Google Docs will change to landscape. That's how to create a landscape page in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial is useful.